In this video, I'm going to show you how to check AI generated images. With the emergence of AI in the digital age, AI can still be used even in the form of art. Distinguishing a man-made art and an AI generated art is extremely hard in this digital age, as AI get better at imitating an artist. Despite being a fascinating field, AI generated art does come with some drawbacks. AI art often raises questions about who the real artist is. Is it the person who created the algorithm, the person who provided the prompts, or the AI itself? AI algorithms are trained on massive databases of existing art. If the data is biased, the AI art it creates will be biased as well. And there's a concern that AI could replace human artists altogether, making it hard for them to make a living. Before diving into the tutorial, I'll give you an example of how hard it is to distinguish an AI-generated art and a man-made art. Let's try searching for a bee cartoon. Now, searching online will give you a vast selection of art that you can choose from and you can browse. Despite being diverse, there are still some aspects of these images that looks the same on the other. Well, some of this can be made by humans and some can be AI generated. Now, for you to know and to check if the art is AI generated, you'll need a browser extension. To get started, go ahead and visit Chrome Web Store. This is where you can find different extensions that you can add on your browser. Now search for Hive AI Detector. Hive AI Detector is an image AI detector. This extension will help you detect if an image that you found online is AI generated or if it's originally made by an artist. Now, why would you need Hive AI Detector? If you're someone who hires people online to create art, this tool can help you detect if the art sent to you by the artist you hired is AI generated or if it's originally made by the artist. This will help you easily detect which image is man-made and which is AI generated. Once the installation process is done, you'll get taken into another page where you can find an installation completed text, which means you can now use this extension on your browser. Now let's go ahead and go back to the image search page where I search for a bee. In here, select a photo that you want to check if it's AI generated or man-made art. Now click on open image in new tab. Don't forget to pin the extension on your browser. Now let's go ahead and open this image on a new tab. Right click and click on Hive AI Detector. Check this checkbox and this will redirect you to the result of the detector. Now as you can see here, you can find the results where it's stated that this art is non-AI generated, but it has a 1.9% of AI content. Now let's go back to the search page and look for an AI generated bees cartoon. The purpose of this is to check the legitimacy of this extension if it can really detect an AI generated art. Now let's just go ahead and select from these results and open the image on a new tab. Now let's open the new tab and click on Hive AI Detector. And as you can see in the results, this art is AI generated. And that's how you detect if an image is AI generated or man-made. I hope this guide was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video.